I gave you my heart.
Hey! We are here in one of our third videos that we actually make and talk because we're doing this snack creator thing, and we got the first one for $1, so go check it out. This is the first time we're gonna be opening it. It's from somewhere that I'll say right now.
We're gonna be trying snacks from Finland today.
They're crazy.
Well, actually, we're not gonna be trying them. They're gonna be trying them.
Oh.
And
This is Riley.
Riley.
This is Isaiah.
Isa.
Irvin.
Who just appeared right now.
Alejandro, the dad.
I'm here.
Paulette, the mom.
I'm gonna open this for you guys, and then I'm gonna pass on the snacks
And we're gonna be everyone's surprise.
one by one, so you guys can try them and see. Tell us what you guys think about them. All right.
Let's say like chocolate.
Let's see
They're all chocolate. No.
this. You get this. It's a snack creator Finland. Finland. It's from Finland.
I don't. Finland?
Yep.
I don't know.
Oh look, we got stickers
Stickers.
Hey, we can put them on the Xbox.
from Finland.
We can put those
We have
on.
another kid over there playing Xbox right away. His name
So
is
you
River.
get some stickers.
He's addicted to Fortnite.
Some lady.
On the kazoo, the big guy.
Nice.
Hearts. Corn snacks with nacho cheese.
That looks.
First we're gonna see them and then we try them. Moomin fruit candies. They're gummies.
Wait, I love gummy. Can I read this one? Tupla Maxi.
Tupula Maxi.
Tupula?
And we have, I haven't. Care Phaser. Geisha.
And we got Jim.
And Jim.
Fizz and Jim.
And I think that's about it right now, but we're gonna try them and we're gonna see you. We're gonna try this one first.
What do you guys? First of all, what do you guys think it's gonna taste like?
Chocolate.
What do you think it's gonna taste?
I think like strawberry.
It says geisha.
Milka.
Strawberry.
Milka. I think coconut chocolate.
Coconut
Strawberry.
chocolate. It looks like just like a fruity one. You? Babe?
Hold up.
I think it's gonna.
What do
taste
you
like
think?
strawberry.
I'm thinking more like a milk,
Milk.
Oh,
like a
milk
milk candy
chocolate.
kind.
Halfers? Oh my gosh. Well,
Oh.
Give me some.
Oh my
You
god.
guys show them
go
to the
halfers.
camera.
Go
Show
fast,
Okay,
halfers.
me and Riley will go. Me and Riley
Show
will
them to the camera.
have this one right here.
You're gonna hold
Here.
halfers?
Watch out. They're like.
We're all
I
gonna
think they're like
taste them.
crumbled because Here, let me see. Is it focused?
It's okay. Yeah, it's not
Yeah,
bad.
they look like really awkward because they're squished, but Here. No.
Hey.
You like it?
It tastes like milk chocolate. I know it, but
Let's try the gummies.
It
Something
tastes
different.
weird.
Something different, but yeah, it's good.
yeah, it's good. Yeah.
Let's try the gummies. Okay, let's try this. I opened it so horribly
I
because
didn't even get to read this.
I'm not very good at it.
It's a 7 though, 7 out of 10.
Yeah, it's just a 7 out of 10. Here, let me.
Try it.
7 out of 10. We got the numbers though.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this little one.
What about these ones here? Watch out, guys.
Which one?
Okay, so see if you guys can see that here. Okay.
Kind of hard.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Not really hard, but a little bit hard.
They're hard candy, and here's what they look
Not for
like.
What are
me.
they?
They're like really weird. I don't know what they are. I think they're gummies, right? I have no idea.
Yeah, but have a weird flavor.
Green
I
tastes
have
like
no idea what these are, but I'm just gonna go ahead and try one either which way. So.
green tastes like green apple, which is kind of
They
sour.
taste, you know what?
Yeah.
They taste kind of like really more fruity, like less chemicals.
Okay, the texture is weird. I don't know. The texture, it's like really hard when you do this,
It's actually good.
but when you bite it, it gets like really like soft.
But it's really fruity.
Yeah.
Extremely fruity. 5 on the taste, on the texture 2, and then like on like the overall, just like an 8 or like a 7.
Red tastes like
Yeah, for me it's
I
an
don't know
8.
what kind
red
of-
As well,
sour
candy.
apple.
Yep. Here, look at this.
My cat approved of this candy, this gummy thingy. She keeps licking on it.
It's cat approved, so anybody.
That means it's real.
Don't let them chew it though and swallow it. Might be bad for them.
They can't chew it. They'll just lick it.
Oh, Bill.
Trying to open it. It's just really like.
My gummy bear. What are
That's
you
her
doing?
cat.
Meow. Her name is, what's her name again? Bridget.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because she was born really small, and she's still very small. She looks like just a teenager. One more gummy.
It looks extremely
They
deformed.
approve of the gummies too. You guys like them?
We would cat approve chocolate, but then again.
Yeah, the gummies are really good. Did you like the gummies,
Riley,
Riley?
fruity the gummies. What do you give them? Riley. Riley.
Try to save some for like that.
I like the gummy. This looks like it would be peanut butter and chocolate for some reason.
Okay, guys.
I'm ready to bite it.
You see this right here? What?
It's really milky. Creamy.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's what it is. It's like extremely weird texture, but I'm gonna try it because
It's yummy. This is real.
what? What are you doing, Mom?
It got her.
Whoa! I love this candy. What? Can I get more of it?
Creamy.
Extremely creamy. Have you guys tried the gummies with
I
chocolate?
feel like that's gonna have caramel and
This
that.
is yummy.
I don't know. It kind of. Oh.
Please
Wow.
like and subscribe. No one said that.
Whoa! I want. Let me see. What is this?
Hey, we almost done.
Oh, what? Okay.
Mm.
I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys. It is extremely weird looking. You guys see this right here? Here, let me see. Here. Focus, focus, focus. It's not focusing.
I
So,
cannot explain the flavor.
okay, y'all, it looks extremely weird.
So good.
I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna try it because I don't know why I'm gonna try it.
Jim. Boom.
It tastes weird. The candy we just tried, it tastes weird.
It's I like.
Yeah.
Yeah, I liked it.
But it's good, but it's like weird.
No.
It's like
Yeah,
a,
there's a 7 for me.
yeah, that's what I was about to say, a 7. The texture is like weird.
It's like a marshmallow thingy. Look.
There's some marshmallow.
You hear the sound?
Some marshmallow.
Oh my god, this one's so delicious.
I love marshmallow candy.
Oh my god, it has like those moon pies that you like a lot flavor.
Mmm. It
Check
reminds
this
me
out,
of
yo.
one pint, the flavor.
The
Check this
original
out.
one.
Yo, this is crazy. It has a marshmallow,
That's super good.
chocolate, marshmallow. Oh yeah, that's an 8.
For me,
That's
it's a 9.
For
Yeah,
us a
that's
9.
For me, it's a 9.
Wait,
It's
I know
good.
the flavor.
I know the flavor. This is the biggest one.
What are you doing, Mom? What?
Boom.
Somebody help her.
I'm doing commercials.
Super sweet, but it's good.
They should pay me for this.
No, they shouldn't. They're from Finland. They're not gonna get to you today.
I know.
Subscribe, please. You stole my
More snacks with nacho cheese flavors. Hearts. The original truffle
bring
snacks.
it right
Let's do this.
I feel like mom should be a movie.
Go give some to them. There's some gummies.
Yeah. The movie.
Look.
Right.
It looks like cereal. From here. Really? Really? Keto. You thought so. You already tasted it. Oh my god, this is good. This is all. Today we got a mini one, so we'll be coming soon with another one, bigger one. Let me tell you one
The
thing.
next one's gonna be mysterious even for us. So I don't know, maybe it's gonna be a mix,
It's
maybe it's a
too
country we know, maybe it's a country we don't even know nothing about. So I don't know.
These
I
are
didn't
good.
even get to read
Okay,
this.
that's like a 10 out of 10 for me. Okay, I wanna wait. Which one's the better? Yeah, which one's the better one? Which one's like 100% like the better one? For me, it's
Into them. No, we're all sharing the chips and everything. Everyone, we should go. My kids got stickers, so.
Funny. We only did it for the stickers
No.
and for
I
the
did for the
yumminess.
Finland. Out of everything, what do you guys give Finland?
Bye guys.
these ones right here. I like these.
Subscribe the channel
For Finland, I give
and click the bell.
Like a whole rating on the whole candy, like a 9,
8.
like a 9, 8.
It's 1.5 on me.
I give it
8.
For me, a 9. It was really
That's
the
why you say 10.
Okay, comment down below which one we should try next.
America's Country.
Well, we get the surprises ones.
Oh yeah, we got this.
But you could comment what you would like us to try.
Like Asian.
I love these.
Oh, yeah. Okay, bye guys.
Really?
Subscribe, hit the like button, recommend us, and keep watching us.
Bye.